Hello, and welcome to MindStaq. This video introduces you to the essential functions of the MindStaq admin app, designed to assist workspace administrators in overseeing teams, managing members, configuring workspace settings, handling billing details, and governing policies. Let's start by exploring workspaces. In the side navigation, click on Workspaces. This feature displays all of the workspaces that you are a part of. You can quickly locate a particular workspace using the search function over here on the top right corner. If you have access to more than one workspace, you'll see a switch option in the action column, which allows you to change which workspace is active. You can see the workspace name here in the first column, followed by if self-registration is enabled, shows the allowed email domains, the subscription status for this workspace, and then the action column, which we were just talking about. Now, let's move on to the Members section, where you'll find a complete list of workspace users. When you get here, you'll see the profile picture on the left, the user's name, the auth type, the type of member, the role, who their manager is, and then two action buttons, one for edit and one for deactivate. At the top, you'll see some filtering options, and you can also search for the user and then export to an Excel spreadsheet. Now, to assign a manager, click the edit icon here. You can select the auth type, change their role from admin, guest, or member, change their app role to none or the PMO, and then this is where you would assign a manager. At this point, Aisha Shaw is the manager for this user. When you make the changes, click Update Member to update that member. To remove access, use the Deactivate button to suspend the user's MindStaq account. Click Confirm, and that will suspend their account. Now to see inactive members, click the Show Inactive Members button at the top, and you'll see that user we just suspended. To reactivate, click the Activate button, and that will reactivate the account. Then to invite new members and guests from your workspace or other workspaces, click the Invite Members/Guests button at the top, and you can either add members and or guests. Click on the one you want to invite, enter the email address, and then hit Send Request. You can add multiple people at once by clicking this Add Another button, and that will add another line for you to type another email address in. Once ready, click Send Request, and that sends out the request to their email with instructions to activate their account. To add a member manually, click the Add Member button at the top right next to the Invite Members/Guest button. Type the first name, last name, give the member a role, an app role, and then enter their email address, and that will add the member and send password reset instructions to their account. To manage invitations, navigate to the Invitations section where all pending invitations are displayed. Within this interface, you can choose to resend or revoke invitations prior to them being accepted. You may also choose to resend the email that was sent when the initial invite was sent. Let's move on to the Teams section, which is used to set up and oversee reporting structures and team workspaces. Click on Teams in the side navigation. Note, this section is limited to users with the org admin's role. Here you can see the different teams that you have for your workspace with a description, the number of members in that team, who the manager is of that team, an edit button, and then a members button to view the members of that team. To add a new team, we'll click the Add Team button in the top right corner here. However, before creating a team, each member should have a manager assigned in the members list in the left-hand column over here. Let's go there and make sure that everyone has a manager assigned, and if they do, we're good to move on. So let's go back to the Teams section and click the Add Team button. And here is where you'll type a new team, give it a team name, give it a description, and select the team manager. Once it's created, click Create Team to add members to a team. Locate the team from the list and click the Members button next to it on the right. You can see here the engineering management team has 4 total team members, and Kevin is currently the manager, and you can tell by the role column over here on the right. To add a new member, click Add Member on the top right corner, and you can search by the name or find them from the list below. When you want to add them, click Add the Team button, and it should add them successfully to the team, noted by this green button here. Once done, click Done, and you'll see now Daniela Jones appears at the bottom of our list. To remove a member, click the Remove button next to their name, and that removes them from the team. To update team details or change the manager, let's go back to the Teams page and click the Edit button next to the team where you want to make these changes. To change the title, update the title under this field. If you want to update the description or add one, click in this field, and then to change the manager, select one from the drop-down list here. Make sure you click Update Team to save the changes. Now, let's move on to the Settings section where you can manage important details about your workspace. Here, administrators have the option to change the workspace name, turn on and off self-registration, and set which email domains are permitted. These controls help make sure that only authorized users can join your workspace. Next is the Billing section. The Billing section displays your current subscription information. This includes your workspace plan, the number of active members, and your billing status. Lastly is the Policies section. This section has a few different areas. First is the Project Activation Policy, which determines who can activate and share new projects. You can choose to allow all members or limit permission to only PMO members by using this drop-down. The other section is our security policy, which allows you to enable or disable file uploads within issues and tasks across your workspace. This helps ensure your workspace follows your organization's security standards. And you can do this by simply checking or unchecking this checkbox. Make sure to save changes in order to implement these changes. These are the key administrative features available in the MindStaq Admin app. You can use these tools to manage teams, members, workspace configuration, billing, and policies, giving you full control over your organization's environment. For detailed instructions, visit the MindStaq Help Center. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.